Let's read.
Hi friends, welcome back to iCan Tutorial Services. Today, we have a new secret code for reading. It's the letter P and letter R. When they hold hands, they say
Per. Present. Per. Prince. Per. Pray. Per. Press. Per. Prize. Per. Pram. Per. Prank. Per. Prod. Per. Prop. Per. Prune.
it's time for the speed round.
Can you read these before the timer runs out? Whoa, you are too fast for me. Now, let's play a game. Is this a... That's right, it's a prince. How about this?
Prune.
You did it, you mastered the PR sound today. Keep practicing every day.
If you had fun today, give this video a big thumbs up. See you in the next video.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.